Okay, I just cured a no wipe top coat and I'm just cleansing it with some rubbing alcohol and adding my chrome. Just making sure that chrome is nice and smooth, always wearing a glove when you do this to prevent overexposure from products. Adding the little ghost mouth. I'm doing this right over the chrome. I haven't encased the chrome again with a top coat. Just adding the little black dots with a dotting tool. Now I'm going to come in and put some cute little pink cheeks with a smaller dotting tool. And shortly I'm going to cure all this and come back after I've added the pupils, and then I top coat the whole thing. So this has a top coat over it. And I'm going to come in with a builder gel and my liner brush. Taking a nice bead of the builder, just placing it gently down. It is kind of stringy, so it can be messy, but you can always wipe that off before you cure it. Adding another blob, bigger blob in the middle, and just kind of dragging that up a little bit. It really likes to stick to those liner brushes, so it was testing my patience. Final little blob. And then that does not move all over the nail, which is really nice. And you're just going to put that in the lamp, I believe, for about 60 seconds, depending on what builder gel you use. I'm just cleaning up where it kind of got stringy around the ghost face. It's all cured, and I'm showing the ghost with the light and without the light. I think it's pretty cute.